home defense shotgun setup. Tara, tingnan natin. So, yan, nire-request nyo nga, Jet, ano ba yung home defense gun mo? So, ito na nga siya. The Mossberg 590A1. Bakit ito pinili kong shotgun? Lazy answer kasi it's one of the shotguns issued to US Armed Forces. So, yun yung lazy answer. But, yeah, let's go. Quick specs lang tayo. Meron tayong 20-inch heavy-walled barrel. Okay, so, compared to other Mossberg shotguns, ito lang yung may ganitong kakapal na barrel. So, probably because yun yung isa siya sa requirements to get those military contracts. Okay? So, capacity. This shotgun holds 8 plus 1 rounds. Okay? So, ito yung magazine tube natin. Very long. Ito, this tube holds 8 and then plus 1 in the chamber. Okay? Sighting system. Meron tayong ghost ring sights. When it comes to shotguns, hindi talaga ako comfortable with just a bead sight. Okay? So, kailangan meron akong 2 points of reference bago ako magbitaw ng bala. Okay? So, these ghost ring sights allow me to do that. Siyempre, more galing tayo sa, pistol and rifle and, parang hindi talaga ako comfortable with just using a bead sight. Okay? So, ayan, meron rin tayong Picatinny rail dito sa top if you want to mount optics. So far, and I don't think I need it, right now. Pero pwede. If you want to mount a red dot, you can do so. One of the reasons why I chose the Mossberg over any other shotgun is because their 500 and 590 and 590A1 lines. Nandito yung safety niya. Okay? So, tang-mounted safety. Back for safe. Front for fire. Okay? So, and then another thing is yung niya, bolt release. Nandito rin siya. Okay? So, what happens is, if I need to access any of my controls, I don't have to break my grip. Okay? If I need to put it on safe or fire rather, yan, I just push. Safe, fire, safe. For the action release, okay? So if kailangan natin palitan yung ammo type, okay? So from buckshot, kailangan natin mag-slugs or kailangan natin mag-less lethal, nakalock yan, di ba? So just have to press your action release and yeah, makakasama na siya. Okay? So yun, all your controls without having to break your grip. So obviously, right here, meron tayong sling. Okay, so it's a 2-point sling. MS4 QDM sling from Magpul. I believe that every gun should have a sling, every pistol should have a holster. So ito siya. Okay, so let's get this out of the way para I can show the features of the gun na medyo it's in the way. So yan lang siya, guys. If I need to deploy the sling, hatakin ko lang. And wala. May sling ka na. Okay? So what's nice about this is it uses QD hardware. Okay? So and okay? So sling keeper from Condition Gray. So that is what holds my sling to a grip. Okay, so for furniture, meron tayong aftermarket Magpul, stock, and forend. Okay? So for the Magpul, grabe, maporma, pero necessary upgrade yan kasi the stock that came with this shotgun was very long. Okay, so length of pull ng stock, non-adjustable stock was 14 inches. Okay, so when you buy a shotgun, check nyo yung length of pull. Okay, length of pull is yung measurement from the trigger all the way to the end of the buttstock. Okay, so yung original Mossberg stock was 14-inch length of pull. Okay, this one has a 12-inch length of pull. You may think na that 2 inches doesn't matter, pero it makes a big difference in terms of being able to hold your shotgun like on target. Okay, so yung 2 inches na yan allows for the shotgun to be closer to your body, so mas madali siya i-control, and you can hold this position longer. Okay, so yun yung first problem that I encountered when I got this shotgun. Okay, so ito plus 2 inches. So imagine mo na lang, ganyan yung hawak ko. Pagod ka agad ako. Okay, so yun lang guys. 2 inches matters. Also with the Magpul stock, if for some reason you need a longer length of pull, so grabe naman yun, laki mong tao, you can add spacers. Okay, so yeah, adjustable siya in that sense. Okay, pero for me, I just needed that reduction, that 2-inch reduction. Okay, so Magpul 4-end looks way better than the stock 4-end that came with the shotgun. Meron kang 3 M-lock slots on each side. So I use that to put a 45-degree mount and then a weapon light. Okay, so I'm currently running an Enforce WML. You do you, you can run whatever you want, but you know, with this setup, my hand grips the shotgun such a way na, you know, it just fits perfectly, you know. Yeah, so there. When it comes to weapon lights, positive identification is a must. We have to make sure that, you know, bago tayo magbitaw ng bala, talagang tama yung target natin. And hindi na natin mababawi yan if we ever accidentally shoot our loved ones. Okay, so invest in a good weapon light. Okay, so also guys, if you look here, meron kang bayonet mount. Okay, so apparently requirement yan no nag-solicit ng bids I think US Marine Corps. So I think this is an M7 bayonet, Vietnam War era. Yeah. Okay, so grabe oh, ultimate CQB weapon, di ba? Ay, nako. I don't know guys, just looks really cool, pero I don't see myself using this in a real in a real encounter. So yun lang, good to know it's there when you need it. As you can see here, meron tayong side saddle. Okay, this is from Mesa Tactical. This is a permanent side saddle. Okay, so it's screwed into the receiver. Okay, so it holds 6 rounds. Okay, and then over here, meron tayong shotgun card that holds 6 more rounds. Okay, so in terms of capacity, you have 8. Okay, but I only put 7. Okay, we'll get there later. 7, then 6, and 6. Okay, and which gives us a total of 19 rounds. Okay, so ako, I don't know. I mean, for your run-of-the-mill akyat bahay or home defense situation, I think that's enough. If you need more than 19 rounds ng shotgun, I don't know. Grabe din. So, yun lang. Most likely kasi, you know, pag in a home defense situation, yung gun lang yung makukuha mo. And then, whatever's on the gun is most likely what you'll be using for that entire encounter. Okay, so always, that's why I made sure that I could put as much rounds into this gun as possible. So yun yung problema ng shotgun shotguns in general. Okay, shotgun tube only holds 8. Okay, by adding side saddles and shotgun cards, we were able to effectively double that. Okay, so So right-handed shooter ako. When I shoot the shotgun, that's okay. But what if I have to shoot with my in a offhand? Okay, so obviously that's okay. Hindi ko na makikita yung sights ko because this shotgun card's in the way. But yun nga, you can just take it off. Okay, so before I was running this permanent side saddle. Okay, so it's strapped on. So hindi mo siya matatanggal fast enough. So if you ever need to shoot offhand, ayan, tumatama siya sa ano. It interferes with your cheek well. Okay, so lesson learned, just don't run these. Use detachable shotgun cards. Okay. Okay, so I mentioned earlier na 7 lang nilalagay ko sa tube. And that's because with magazine tube-fed shotguns, isa lang yung magazine mo. Okay, so ako, you know, just personal opinion ko lang naman, if you download it by one, the spring's gonna last longer. Okay, so, and in terms of capacity, you know, ang dami mo ng shells outside. Okay, so yun lang. I download it by one. Personal preference, you can do it, pero not kaya bahala. Okay, so also I don't chamber around kasi nga nabasa ko sa internet that shotguns are not drop safe. So if for whatever reason naka chamber load to, I get it out of the safe and then I drop it. Yeah, negligent discharge. So, yun nga, to avoid that, you can run this gun 8+1, but I'm running it, they call it cruiser ready, so 7 lang, so -1 in the tube and then nothing chambered. Okay? Pero, you know, madali lang naman yun eh. The moment you take it out of the vault, just rack it and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it guys. That was the shotgun home defense video. I hope you liked it. I'd like to thank Armscore for sponsoring this video. And stay tuned kasi this has been my home defense setup for the last 5 years. And over that time, marami rin tayo natutunan. So, baka you caught it. May mga mali sa setup ko. And in the next video, we'll try to correct that. Okay? So, hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.